Thanks for your support, everyone. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't you just love summer? All the fresh fruits, peaches, blackberries. Today, I'm making a blackberry and peach crisp. I hope you enjoy the video. The first thing that you want to do is you need 2 pounds of firm ripe peaches, halved, pitted, and cut into 1/2-inch wedges, and 2 cups fresh blackberries. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, gently toss the peaches and the blackberries with the granulated sugar and the lemon juice. Transfer the fruit to an 8 by 11-inch baking dish. Next, in a medium bowl, toss the oats with the flour, the brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg. Using your fingertips, mix the butter until the topping is crumbly. Sprinkle the topping over the fruit and bake for 1 hour or until the top is golden brown and the fruit is bubbling. Let the crisp cool for at least 30 minutes before serving. The crisp can also be refrigerated overnight. Bring to room temperature or reheat in the oven before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you soon on Anna's Coastal Kitchen.